To glue our legs, we're first going to lay out a series of clamps. Next, we're going to span our leg pieces across the clamps, ensuring that there is roughly an equal distance on each side of the clamps. Now we want to make sure that we are only gluing our cleaned up face. We are not putting any glue on the side with the X. So we will be gluing the faces together. Gluing the faces. What you don't want to do is glue the actual legs themselves together. When applying glue, it is only necessary to coat one of the faces because they will be touching each other. You want to make sure that you use a fair amount of glue and then come back and spread that around so we have good, even coverage. Next, I'm going to put all the faces together. And then slide all of my legs into one block. It is important to line up the ends of the boards as best as you can. We do have an extra ½ inch of material that we're working with, but the more precise we are at this point, the less work we have to do later. After that, we will gently clamp our boards together. Again, making sure that the ends are lined up. I'm going to apply just a little bit of pressure. We also want to make sure that the edges don't shift up and down on us. If we can be very accurate at this stage, it's a lot less work later on. With just a little bit of pressure on it, I'm going to take a third clamp and put it upside down and tighten that one up fairly snug before coming back and snugging down the other two clamps. All the while double checking to make sure I am fairly lined up on the ends and the edges. After that, we can take a wet paper towel and wipe off any excess glue that has squeezed out. Don't forget the bottom as well. And then we need to wait 24 hours for the glue to dry and cure before we can do any more work on the legs.